Honey is a sweet golden substance that's more than just tasty. It's good for your health and packed with nutrients. Bees, nature's hard workers, make this amazing product. In this video, we'll show you how honey is made on a large scale. You'll see how nectar becomes the honey we love. Remember, it's important to stay calm around bees. They might get upset if bothered. Get ready to learn all about how honey is made and the fascinating world of beekeeping. Bee eggs hatch into small, pale larvae. These larvae grow into worker bees, nature's efficient helpers. The hive has hexagonal wax cells. These cells serve as nurseries, food storage, and help control hive temperature. Worker bees collect nectar from flowers using their long tongues. They store this nectar in their honey stomachs and take it back to the hive. Beekeepers harvest honey carefully. They wear protective gear like suits, helmets, and gloves. This keeps both the bees and beekeepers safe. Beekeepers often use smoke to calm the bees. This makes honey collection easier and less stressful for the bees. This method shows beekeepers understand and respect bees. Beekeepers use specialized tools for safe and efficient honey extraction. A hive tool separates hive parts, while a soft brush gently removes bees from frames. Skilled beekeepers work patiently, moving slowly to encourage bees to leave frames naturally, maintaining a calm hive environment. Once bees are cleared, honey-filled frames are quickly transferred to transport containers, preserving both honey and honeycomb integrity. Experienced beekeepers sometimes work without protective gear, demonstrating their expertise and the gentle nature of well-treated bees. This showcases the remarkable bond between humans and nature when approached with knowledge and respect. The honey-filled hive boxes are taken to the factory for processing. The first step is carefully removing the top layer of the hive. I'll show you how this interesting process works soon. Honey, which comes from nature, has many health benefits that can improve your diet. I'll tell you more about these benefits later. The honey extraction process uses special machines to keep the honey's quality. First, workers carefully place the honeycombs in the processing equipment. Watch closely as the machine gently removes the outer wax layer from both sides of the honeycombs. This careful process allows access to the pure honey inside without damaging it. This first step is very important for getting the honey out without lowering its quality. It's not an easy task because bees are amazing builders. The complex design of honeycomb cells, which bees have perfected over millions of years, makes it challenging. That's why we need advanced technology and expert knowledge to do this job well. The honey extraction process starts with the honey boxes. These boxes release a small amount of honey, but most of it stays inside the combs. Workers then move these honey-filled combs to special machines for processing. They carefully put each honeycomb tray into a machine that gently opens the sealed hives to get the honey out. Next, a spinning machine takes over. This clever machine gets every drop of honey from the honeycombs. It works non-stop, moving the honey into collectors very efficiently. During my visit, I saw a special spinner from Turkey, which is known for making lots of pure honey. This spinner not only gets all the honey out, but also cleans the hives so bees can use them again. After spinning, the honey goes through a gentle mixing process and passes through built-in filters. This careful cleaning gives us pure golden honey without any bits in it. I watched a worker collect the empty honeycombs for cleaning and reuse. This whole process shows how making honey is an ongoing cycle, blending nature's work with human skill. The honey is kept in big, temperature-controlled tanks. The temperature is carefully controlled to keep the honey smooth and easy to pour. This also helps preserve the honey's natural qualities and makes bottling easier. The bottling process uses modern, automatic machines. A conveyor belt moves clean jars into place. Each jar is filled with the right amount of honey by special nozzles. These nozzles are very precise and don't waste any honey. After filling, the jars move to the sealing station. Here, robot arms quickly and accurately put lids on each jar. This automation continues throughout the production line. It shows how technology has improved the honey industry and made work easier for factory employees. Honey isn't just tasty, it's also good for you. Eating a teaspoon of honey before meals can help your digestion. Honey contains enzymes and antioxidants that soothe your stomach and help your body absorb nutrients. Try adding some honey to your meals for better health. Now, let's look at how honey spoons are made. Expert honey pickers choose the best-tasting honey varieties. Then, they shape the honey into spoons using food-safe plastic or silicone molds. Each honey spoon is wrapped in protective film or foil, making them easy to use. These spoons are then packed into special boxes or trays. This clever packaging lets you enjoy honey easily and cleanly, anytime you want.